Most people lack clarity for the future and default to a life of discontentment as a result. Without even realizing it, they end up living a life that they never intended to live. This could be working an unfulfilling job, giving up on their dreams or aspirations, or just settling for comfort instead of reaching their full potential. However, self-reflection and self-awareness lead to the meaningful pursuit of solving your own problems, and this is done through journaling. You will save yourself a life of regret by becoming aware of problems in your life before they spiral out of control. Journaling allows you to become aware of these problems. That way you're able to solve them and then eventually be able to serve others by helping them through similar struggles. What's up, friends? If you're new to the channel, my name is Eric, and I am a photographer and filmmaker that now creates videos and writes online. I don't know if those are the best words to describe what I do. However, I am creating an online business and sharing with you the things and lessons that I learn along the way. If you'd like to follow along with my personal journey and hopefully learn a little bit about your own along the way, make sure to hit subscribe and follow along for more videos. My goal with these writing or journal prompts are to help you if you are in a situation where you're feeling stuck and you don't really know what that next step looks like. Hopefully these questions will give you a bit of clarity and depth about how you can move forward in your own life. Self-reflection and self-awareness are the missing pieces to most people's problems. If you don't know what you don't want, how will you know what you do want? And if you don't spend time reflecting on where you're at right now, where you've been in the past, and where you want to be in the future, how will you know if you're on the right track? Personally, I let 5 years of my life slip by while I was working a 9-to-5 job because I was comfortable, I was getting a steady paycheck, yet I didn't spend the time to reflect on my own discontentment. Time flies when you're comfortable, and the goal of journaling is to allow yourself to feel uncomfortable. You need to allow yourself to sit with your thoughts, provoke your problems, discover what you don't want, and then begin taking action in the opposite direction. For me personally, journaling is something that I've been doing for the past 11 years, and I cannot even explain the benefits that I receive from doing it often. Journaling is the best form of self-awareness and self-reflection and allows you to notice problems or patterns in your life that are leading you towards a life that you do not want. Honestly, without journaling, I have no idea where I'd be in my personal life, and so I'm forever grateful for it and want to teach others how to do it effectively. By the way, I do a deep dive on how to find clarity in your own life in my free course, the Content Clarity Crash Course. I'll have a link below in the description if you want to sign up for free. These are the exact questions that I would use if I was stuck in my own shoes where I was 3 years ago. I had been working a job that I was unhappy with. I was discontent about my life and my life direction, and I really wanted to change. I strongly believe that if you pause this video and answer these questions or answer them at the end of this video, that they will positively impact the direction of your life. It's amazing what you can learn about yourself and about others through writing, and I strongly believe that this is something that everyone should be doing. So without further ado, here are the questions that I would sit down and answer for yourself to gain clarity for your future. What do I not want my life to look like? What's one thing that I can do today that ensures that I'm headed towards my ideal life? If I spent the next year doing exactly what I did today, would I be getting closer to or further from my ideal life? What do you strongly dislike? What do you wish you could change about the way the world works? And here's an example of how I'd personally answer this question. I really dislike how majority of people spend a majority of their lives working a job that they dislike. In what way could you work towards solving this problem, starting on a smaller scale? And my personal answer to this would be by creating a business that encourages and equips others to create an independent income for themselves while pursuing their personal calling. What's a realistic daily action that allows you to make progress towards this goal? And to continue with my example, my answer would be by writing and curating new ideas, creating daily and weekly content that encourages and equips others to pursue something meaningful in their life and start a business doing so. For me, I didn't want to work a 9-to-5 job for the rest of my life. I felt like I was spending every waking hour doing something that I didn't even care about. So what's a realistic way to escape a 9-to-5 job and live life on your own terms? And the answer was entrepreneurship. I wasn't inherently interested in starting my own business, but my desire for time and location freedom piqued my curiosity for it. This is exactly why passion is not found, it is created. You must learn to become passionate about something by first discovering the things that you dislike. Only then can you find purpose by pursuing the opposing side of your discontentment. Passion is found either in the pursuit of something or the running from something else. You don't have purpose in your life because you don't have something to work towards, and you don't feel passionate because you're not pursuing something that you feel called to. A majority of people do not know what they want out of life and therefore cannot take action in alignment with that goal. This unfortunately leads to complacency, mediocrity, and discontentment. However, taking action is easy when you have clarity, and taking action is impossible when you don't. My goal with these writing or journal prompts are to help you if you are in a situation where you're feeling stuck and you don't really know what that next step looks like. Hopefully, these questions will give you a bit of clarity and depth about how you can move forward in your own life. By the way, I recently received this A5 leather journal cover in the mail from an awesome brand called Welsh Mountain. I've been using their products for years, and I'll have a link down below in the description for it. This is one of their many products, and I've been carrying this around with me everywhere, in the house, to the coffee shop, things like that. Been loving it so far. This is actually my first time using an A5 size journal, and I think I really like it. So I'll definitely be creating a video about this and this size journal in the future. But anyway, you can get 10% off Welsh Mountain products with my link and code ERIC10 in the description below. I'd love to hear what some of your favorite journal prompts are in the comments down below. I'll definitely give them a try if you post some down there, and I'm sure others would love to see them as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. I always appreciate you all being here. My name is Eric. I will see you in the next video. Peace.